Welcome to Trisandhya's Kitchen. Today in our series Anhoni ko honi kar do, I am going to prepare butter chicken. I am going to prepare the butter chicken out of vegetarian chicken. This is a vegetarian form of chicken which anybody can eat, Weight Watchers who are on diet, and even vegetarians can eat it. The vegetarians, they would have not known how the taste of butter chicken would be, but preparing it with vegetarian chicken will help you to taste it. Now we will go into the recipe. For this we need chicken pieces, that is vegetarian chicken pieces, 100 grams of it. This I have marinated. चिकन को अब मैरिनेट करेंगे. चिकन पीसेस लाई हूँ. इसमें थोड़ा सा अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट. We will add some ginger garlic paste to it. Little bit of salt only for the sake of chicken, and red chili powder and garam masala mixed together, and a spoon of sunflower oil. We will give it a nice mix. I have very well mixed it. Now we will keep it aside for 1 hour. I have shown you how I have marinated it and kept it for 1 hour. Along with that we need onions, 1 onion cut into small pieces, 2 tomatoes of medium size cut into small pieces, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder and garam masala powder together, cashew nuts, kasuri methi, salt, dhania powder and fresh cream. And the main ingredient is butter. Now we will go into the recipe and start how we should do it. I will on the kadai. We will put 2 teaspoons of oil in it. Now we'll add the onion pieces. You need not fry it for a long time, because anyhow we are going to grind it and again boil it. So now we will add the tomato pieces. Ginger garlic paste. Haldi powder. Cashew nuts. Dhania powder, and of course salt. We will give it a good mix. Now we have to add a half glass of water to it. Close the lid and simmer it for 5 minutes. Now we will open and see. It's cooked well. See, it's cooked well. Now we will remove this from the stove. Let it cool down for some time. We will grind it, filter it and get it back. Meanwhile, we will fry our chicken pieces. Again, I am going to add only 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil get heat. We will add the chicken pieces to it and fry it well. Don't get annoyed. This is vegetarian chicken pieces, not real chicken. Do it as shallow frying so that it becomes crisp. Let it become crisp. Even in the non-vegetarian version, we do it in the same manner, but the only thing is that is real chicken and this is vegetarian chicken. Only difference for it. Otherwise, the taste, the ingredients we put, everything will be the same. It is a boon to vegetarians that you have got such vegetarian chicken and meat, plant-based available these days. So anybody can cook the non-vegetarian versions with vegetarian ingredients and taste it. Let us fry it for more time. Our chicken pieces are fried so well. I have shallow fried it. I have used only very little oil for it. See the pieces? So crisp, so juicy. Now I have bought the ingredient, the tomato and kaju paste. It's well grinded and we have filtered it. It should be of a satin texture. It should be very, very smooth. The more smooth, you will get more taste out of it. In fact, this butter chicken, it has another name also, that is butter makhni. So the makhni is, it should be velvety and satin in its texture. Now I am going to add the red chilli powder and garam masala powder. Let it boil a little. Now we will add the fried chicken pieces in it. Of course, the main ingredient, butter, and little bit of kasuri methi. And fresh cream. After adding all this, there is no need for us to keep it for a longer time. Just 1 minute is enough. I will just simmer it. The smell is smelling heavenly. Very nice. I will off the stove and remove it in a bowl. This is how our butter chicken looks. Make it and write in the comment box how did you like it. You do it If you like the video, kindly like it, share it and subscribe it.